In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv email delivery error step by step so your newsletters actually reach your subscribers' inboxes instead of getting delayed, flagged, or filtered into spam. If you use Beehiiv for email marketing, this is one of the most important things to get right because even great content can underperform if your delivery setup is not properly configured. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, start by checking the basics because most delivery issues usually come from a small setup problem rather than a major technical fault. The first thing you want to verify is your sender email address. Make sure the email you're using as the sender is the correct one and that it matches the account or domain you want to send from. If the sender address is not verified or looks incomplete, Beehiiv may have trouble delivering your messages properly. Next, check your custom domain settings. If you're using a branded domain, make sure it is connected correctly inside Beehiiv and that there are no missing records or broken settings. Your domain connection is a big part of building trust with email providers, so even one incorrect setup detail can affect delivery. After that, confirm that domain authentication is complete. This usually means your authentication records like SPF, DKIM, and any other required verification steps have been properly added and fully validated. If authentication is incomplete, your emails are much more likely to be treated as suspicious by inbox providers, which can lead to delivery errors or poor inbox placement. Once your sender and domain settings are checked, move on to your subscriber list. Review your subscribers for invalid email addresses, fake entries, typos, or old contacts that no longer exist. A messy list can damage your sender reputation. And when too many emails bounce or fail, it can create delivery problems for future campaigns too. Clean lists usually perform better and deliver more reliably. Now let's talk about the content of your email, because that matters more than many people realize. Review your email copy for spam-like wording, such as exaggerated claims, excessive capital letters, or phrases that can trigger filters. You want your message to sound natural, helpful, and relevant to your audience. Also, avoid stuffing your email with too many links or too many images. Emails that are overloaded with visuals or links can look suspicious to inbox providers and may be routed away from the primary inbox. Keep the structure simple, clear, and balanced. Another important step is to make sure your subject line is not misleading. Your subject line should honestly reflect what the email contains. If the subject line feels clickbaity or unrelated to the content, that can hurt trust and reduce deliverability over time. Then, before sending to your full list, send a test email to yourself. This is a great way to check how the email renders, whether links work properly, and whether anything looks off before your subscribers receive it. A test email also helps you spot formatting problems, broken images, or content that might seem spammy at first glance. After that, check your spam and promotions folders. Sometimes your email may not be fully blocked, but it may still be landing in the wrong folder. If you find your test email there, that's a strong sign that something in your sender setup, subject line, or content needs improvement. Go back through the previous steps and make small adjustments until the email lands where it should. So, to quickly recap, the best way to fix Beehiiv email delivery errors is to verify your sender address, confirm your custom domain, and authentication, clean your subscriber list, improve your email content, avoid too many links and images, keep your subject line honest, send a test email, and check your inbox folders carefully. If you follow each of these steps, you'll be in a much better position to improve deliverability and get your Beehiiv email seen. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.